Oop, got a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Can't even get that out of there. Don't know what that is for sure, but we'll find out. And I don't guess I've got anything else because I haven't put a card in there or anything, so we can go. Hey everybody, I went to the post office, picked up my mail, and when I got back home, I took my camera out of my saddlebag and I noticed, maybe you can see this, my lens filter that I had on my GoPro 8 mod saved my GoPro 8 lens. Little tech tip there for you. Might be something you want to pay attention to if you got a GoPro 8. Get the mod, make sure you use a lens filter so that you don't have a problem with your GoPro 8 because we can't replace those lenses. Anyway, got some mail. Let's see here. We got this mail from, first one's from Blue Bike and Doyle up there in Georgia. Thanks, Doyle. It says, hi, Moto Trucker. Thanks for the stickers. Sorry, I thought I sent you some, but I guess not. Ride safe, stay safe, keep on trucking. The Blue Bike and Doyle. That's cool. And Doyle sent me his sticker. Now this is, I'm doing this on my phone. You're gonna have to forgive me. Everything's probably backward. But then Doyle sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 poker chips from various Harley-Davidson dealerships around western, northwest Georgia and South Alabama. I will have to get a board and put those on my board. Thank you, Doyle. I appreciate it. Means a lot to me. And let's see, the second one I got here is from the Matt Man, Tennessee. It says, enjoy your channel, keep the videos up. Sorry, the stroke killed my handwriting, Matt. Didn't kill your handwriting at all, Matt. You're doing a fine job. You can read that just fine. Let's see, Matt sent me 3 of his small 3-inch oval stickers here. Yeah, they're backward. Anyway, pretty good stickers. And his business card. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Couple business cards. I appreciate that, Matt. Thank you very much. And got a fat one over here. I don't even know if I can open this one. It's all taped up. That's all right. We'll dig it out here. This is from Deluxe Chimp. Let's see what he included here. If I can get all the tape off of it. There we go. Did a good job packaging this up. All right. That is a cool sticker. That is a cool sticker. And so is that one. Deluxe Chimp. Let's see what we've got wrapped up here in the paper and all taped up. Looks like poker chips. Couple poker chips. Oh, he's got his own Deluxe Chimp poker chip. Those are pretty cool. And this one looks like it's marked HD. So it is from Rocky Mountain Harley-Davidson. Nice. Deluxe Chip, thank you for that. I appreciate it, man. You know, in these days where we've got this coronavirus shut down and we're all supposed to, you know, stay home, lay low and all that, man, it's hard to do. I know everybody's been talking about it. Just really difficult. But we'll get through it. We'll get through it. I know the governors are talking about starting to open things back up now, and I hope they get that done because I'm tired of laying low. Anyway, I guess that's it for mail call for this time. I appreciate it. You guys that have sent me stuff, I've got things sent out to you, and I've talked to a couple other people. I know there'll be another one, or two or three, or however many more. But y'all have a good day. Be safe. Don't go stir crazy. We'll talk to y'all later.